Armed gangsters early today raided a gold mining farm in Rarieda and took off with equipment worth millions of shillings. The attack, which occurred in North Ramba sub-location, saw watchmen guarding the All Might Resources Company Limited flee for their lives when the mean-looking gangsters overpowered them after knocking down a section of the wall. According to the director of M-Light Resources, Amos Barasa Mabonga, this was the fifth attack on his premises this year. Mabonga, who addressed the media at the company yard in the company of his lawyer, Dunstan Omari, lamented that in all the previous attacks, no action had been taken, despite the suspects being positively identified.
Tumefungiwa kazi, hatujafanya kazi na bado tunapigwa. Na je, tukipanga vile wanapanga, serikali wanangoja kuja kurokota maiti hapa, kwa sababu sisi hatutacheka sasa na mtu vile tunafumulia hivi. Tumefungiwa kazi, tuko njaa, hatuna msara, vitu yetu inaibiwa, vitu yetu zinaribiwa hivi, na serikali wananyamaza tu. Akina chief wako wapi? Na wale wa mijikumi wako wapi? Juu hata ukienda kwa polisi hakuna justice.
Hatujakuwa tukifanya kazi. So swali yangu ni to my competitor, ni nini inamsumbua kutumia vijana vibaya kukuja kuharibu mali yangu, na hakuna kazi ninafanya. Na shamba si yake, nimenunua mwenyewe na pesa zangu.
And the first one, no police action has been done or no prosecution has been done. I shall be moving with speed to write to the Director of Public Prosecution to ensure that the first attack and the second attack, the perpetrators take plea and they face their day in court.
All right, now let's take a look at conservation and conservation stakeholders.